Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. I'm here to give this exciting information to you all. We have come up with our IDT, that is GST lectures for the CA intermediate students. Yes, for the upcoming May 24 examinations and November 24 examinations, these lectures are totally applicable, totally amended for the upcoming examinations. So these lectures are ongoing as of now. So these lectures are available on pre-order basis. Means some lectures will be available to you now and some lectures in the meanwhile. Likewise, the batch is expected to get over by approximately by January end or max to max by February first week. So if you have not yet started with indirect taxes by chance for your May 24 examinations and November 24 examinations, then you can definitely check out the demo video lecture, which I have already uploaded it on my YouTube channel, on this channel only. And the demo notes, okay, the sample notes of the lectures are also available, which is again in the handwritten format. So even that is available for website. I'll be sharing all the details with you in the descriptions here. And yes, in the lecture we have tried to cover up everything which the ICI has made applicable, which is important from exam point of view. We have stressed upon the things which is important from exam point of view. Everything has been covered in the lectures. Along with that, we are providing the question answers also. Okay, very exhaustive coverage of question answers is there from all the past resources, past MTPs, past RTPs, ICI, new study material. Each and every question has been covered from there, so that you don't have to refer multiple books for your examination. This is going to be a one shot or a one-stop solution for indirect taxes. I've tried my level best and I've put my heart into it, trust me. So yes, the lectures are available on my website arpitatulsyan.com, and if you want to first check out the demo video, it is available on the YouTube channel. If you want to have a glance over the notes, it is also available. For that, you can just go to my website arpitatulsyan.com. There is a section called as free resources. There you can just check out the sample notes also. Yes, so these are the details. For any further details, feel free to contact me, feel free to contact my team, and do check out our website arpitatulsyan.com. And yes, the most important information, the thing which I've been working on is for every particular chapter, for your indirect taxes, whichever chapter is there in your syllabus, for every chapter I'm going to put up super quick revision videos. Okay, super quick revision videos which are going to help you for your final revision. Whenever you feel like we are tending to forgetting that particular chapter, or what was there in this particular chapter I'm not able to recollect, etc. For that purpose, approximately one chapter, half an hour, 45 minutes, or max to max 1 hour. This is the time given for revision of each chapter. And I have been recording these videos, and even these videos will be made available on YouTube for you all, so that once you are done with your first studies, means first reading, then your self-reading, self-studies, and after that, whenever you need a super quick revision, obviously that is not to be used for the first time, but whenever you feel like revising that particular subject, you can use those super quick revision videos. Yes, so lectures are available for you, books are available for you, question bank is available for you, and even the super quick revision video will be made available by me. Yes, so this was all about the intermediate IDT GST lectures, the information which I wanted to share with you since long. And yes, for any more details, feel free to check out my website, that is arpitatulsyan.com. Keep showering your love the way you have been doing since so many years. Thank you so much.